Yes, Japan is well known for having a vast number of vending machines scattered throughout the country. In fact, Japan has the highest number of vending machines per capita in the world, with over 5.5 million machines that offer a wide variety of products, including drinks, snacks, cigarettes, and even umbrellas. The popularity of vending machines in Japan is due to several factors. For one, they are extremely convenient, allowing people to purchase goods 24/7 without having to interact with a salesperson. Additionally, they are generally very reliable and clean, and often offer a wide selection of products. Moreover, vending machines are an important part of Japanese culture and have become an icon of the country. They are often featured in Japanese movies, TV shows, and anime, and are considered a symbol of Japan's technological prowess and efficiency. Overall, Japan's vending machines offer a unique and convenient shopping experience that has captured the world's attention and admiration. What is so special about Japanese vending machines? There are several unique features that make Japanese vending machines stand out. Variety of products. Japanese vending machines offer a wide variety of products beyond just beverages and snacks. You can find machines that sell hot meals, fresh vegetables, flowers, and even electronic gadgets. High-tech features. Many Japanese vending machines are equipped with high-tech features such as touchscreens, voice recognition, and facial recognition. Some machines even use artificial intelligence to recommend products based on your age and gender. Cashless payments. Most Japanese vending machines accept cashless payments, such as credit cards, electronic money cards, and mobile payments, making transactions quick and easy. Accessibility. Japanese vending machines are ubiquitous and can be found in nearly every corner of the country, including remote rural areas and train stations. Cleanliness and reliability. Japanese vending machines are known for their high level of cleanliness and reliability. They are regularly cleaned and restocked, and rarely break down or malfunction. Overall, the combination of convenience, variety, high-tech features, and reliability make Japanese vending machines a unique and enjoyable aspect of Japanese culture. Does Japan have 23 vending machines per person? No, Japan does not have 23 vending machines per person. This is a popular myth that has been circulating on the internet for many years, but it is not true. According to the latest data from the Japan Vending Machine Manufacturers Association, there were approximately 5.5 million vending machines in Japan as of the end of 2020. With a population of around 126 million people, this works out to be about isang vending machine for every 23 people, not 23 vending machines per person. While the actual number of vending machines per person in Japan is much lower than the popular myth suggests, it is still higher than most other countries in the world. The abundance of vending machines in Japan is due to various factors such as high population density, a culture of convenience, and a strong vending machine industry.
I can give you a brief guide to vending machines in Japan. Location. You can find vending machines in almost every corner of Japan, including in residential areas, train stations, airports, and even on mountain hiking trails. Products. Vending machines in Japan sell a variety of products, including cold and hot beverages, snacks, cigarettes, ice cream, and even hot meals. Payment. Most vending machines in Japan accept both coins and bills, as well as cashless payments such as electronic money cards and mobile payments. Convenience. Japanese vending machines are designed for convenience, with many offering 24/7 service and quick and easy transactions. High-tech features. Many vending machines in Japan are equipped with high-tech features such as touch screens, facial recognition, and voice guidance. Sustainability. Japan has a culture of recycling and sustainability, and many vending machines have recycling bins for empty cans and bottles. Etiquette. When using a vending machine in Japan, it is important to take your time, not make too much noise, and dispose of any trash properly. Overall, vending machines are a ubiquitous and convenient aspect of Japanese culture that offer a unique shopping experience. Whether you need a quick snack, a cold drink on a hot day, or a warm meal on a cold night, a vending machine is never far away in Japan.
Yung pang touch ko.